Oh my god. Today, so excited. Oh my god. Okay, so we have. I ordered a phone from Japan. Oh my god, it's finally here. It's a flip phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so excited. I don't even know if I can use this phone here, but god, okay, it's finally here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is it so easy to open? It's not like sealed or anything. It said it's brand new. But it's finally here. Oh my god, oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just gonna open this first. Oh my god. Holy shit, this is such a cute phone. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cute. Okay, so fingerprint scanner, volume button, holes for your key straps, SIM card, USB-C charge. The storage can hold up to a 1 terabyte SD card. Oh my god, how exciting. Okay, what else is in the box? Okay, a red cord, a mode 1 charger. What is this? I just poke through, but it came with some, like this, what is this? 0.60 millimeters. That's very precise. I don't know what this is for exactly, but it looks like a little crochet needle. Because it has a little hook at the end. Okay, enough of that. I need to play with this phone immediately. Anyways, I'm turning this phone on. Maybe it needs to be charged. I don't know. Oh my god, it turned on. Holy shit, how cute. Oh my god, it's in Japanese. And it's supposed to be like a touch screen. I can't read that. Oh my god, what do I do? Oh my god. Dial bot. Nihongo. It has a 48 megapixel. Oh, it has a closing sound. That's cute. That's so cute. If you liked what you saw, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. See you next time.